does have a 350 in there though. That Nissan has its stock 3-liter V6 in there. Carl Goodman, he's sponsored by Goodman Brother Holding and the .08 Racing. That truck is named the Panty Snatcher. Cody's driving the Snatch Finder, it's called. Sponsored by TS&M Fiberglass Supply, also Midwest Auto Supply, and .08 Racing. We have been tied up in the first corner there, these two. I do believe they're friends as well. They're both from Provost, Alberta, part of the .08 Racing Club out of there. Looks like Carl's got the lead. Cody is trying to keep up in that Pathfinder. Carl's grabbing some traction there. Cody is not far behind, pushing that Nissan. Sorry, that Nissan looks like an Isuzu with no back on there. Carl is just a stock class, and we have Cody in the Pro Light class. A few modifications on that Nissan. So again, we have classes for all sorts to get involved here. Here comes Carl in that Chevy S10 Blazer, pushing his way into the infield here, sporting that Superman flag. Cody's not too far behind, pushing his rig hard, grabbing some air. Oh, Carl lost the gear. Cody's not grabbing some traction. Truck 19, Carl Goodman coming in first there. Cody second place. There goes Carl around the track here. He's starting around. Again, this is more of a showcase here, so they are going to be a little slower, I do believe. We had a couple mishaps yesterday. Hopefully it doesn't deter them from too much. Again, this is a slalom course we have set up. We have classes for all types of trucks. Oh, Carl, come on. A little 10 and 2, buddy. Try to get those tires moving for you. It's getting a little hung up on some fresh dirt up there. There we go. Carl's getting going again there. Carl Goodman up there, ladies and gentlemen. Showing off our showcase here for us, part of the Western Off-Road Racing, sponsored by the Airdrie Dirt Dogs. They have a race coming up out here at Tail Creek Raceway in August. Make sure you can come out and check that out. August 15th and 16th, we'll be back here doing a full race series here. Carl Goodman's just finishing off his first run for the morning. Hitting the big rut here in the middle, slowing him down a bit. Pushing her hard though through the finish line. Carl Goodman. There we have this little Pathfinder starting out of the starting line here. Supporting that big crossbones, skull and crossbones flags down there. This is Cody Fredericks from Provost. That's a 1990 Nissan Pathfinder he's sporting out there. Has the stock 3-liter V6 in it. Pushing it very hard out here. He had some good times yesterday as well here, Cody. Cody's truck's called the Snatch Finder. Kind of wondering if those two boys don't have something going together there. He's also sponsored by the TS&M Fiberglass Supply, Midwest Auto Supply, and of course the .08 Racing. Cody's making very short work of the track today there, finishing his last loop on the outside of the field. Hitting that jump, trying to get some air, a little buck in the back end. Kicking up this dust today. Again, it's going to be a very warm day again today, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you stay hydrated. Keep that sunscreen on. Cody Fredericks from Provost comes across the finish line. just wait, get an overall time here for Cody. One minute, 15 seconds. That's a